24 hours ago in the copywriting Reddit, somebody asked, what's your thought on AI replacing copywriters? I want to get started with copy, but one thing that pushes me away is people saying AI will replace copywriter. Can someone confirm that for me? So here's the thing. Is AI replacing copywriters? This is the biggest question mark when it comes to copywriting. What's the point in writing copy? What's the point in becoming a copywriter if AI is just going to just take you out anyways, right? And I just saw this brilliant answer from somebody who clearly just knows what they're talking about, basically. And they said this, right? Amiable pedant. AI won't replace copywriters. Copywriters who know how to use AI well will replace copywriters who don't, right? Just think about this. AI is a tool with lots of possibility and likely more as we develop. It doesn't create things, it collates and clones them. It can shoot out a web article that sounds artificial and shallow. If you as a copywriter then take that web article and use it as a bouncing board to write something good, fine, right? Ultimately, the people who say that AI can produce good copy don't know what good copy is. We see that backfiring on them more and more, and hopefully we'll arrive at a place where AI is recognized as a tool to help augment creativity rather than supplant it, okay? And so I 100% agree with this person's point. And here's the thing. This is what the thing is you always have to ask yourself when it comes to like, is this going to replace this? Are this people screwed? Is like, just think logically about what you're even saying. What does it mean to say, is AI going to replace copywriters? What that means when you break it down is, are business owners going to stop paying copywriters money to write copy for them? That is the actual question you need to ask yourself. And in order to answer that question, you need to look into the mind of the business owner in 2026, 2027, 2030, and beyond. Why do business owners hire copywriters? Why? There's multiple reasons. The main thing being they want to make more money and grow their business, right? Those are the main reasons that business owners hire copywriters. Hey, bad copy, it's hard to sell things with bad copy. But when you write copy well, the whole point is you will make more sales happen. You will make money happen. So the question is then, right, if AI can generate good copy, then copywriters are not needed anymore, right? Well, not really. So let's just take a look at this. If this tool here, ChatGPT, can write good copy, there's no more need for a copywriter, right? I don't know. Let's find out. Okay, if I'm a business owner and I can say AI is going to replace copywriters, what am I going to do right now, right? Copy needs to be written. I have emails that got to go out, ads got to go out, sales page needs to be written, social media ghostwriting done. Like I need to my website copy updated. Like these are all the places where my copy lives right now, right? I need email automations done. I need like maybe even some graphics made and stuff. Like this is all stuff that needs to be done. So to say that AI is going to replace copywriters it doesn't make any sense, because if I'm a business owner, AI is here, right? I don't need a copywriter anymore, right? The AI, the ChatGPT is just doing it for me. Wrong. Somebody somewhere still needs to click and push and do the buttons, right? We're not at the point in maybe in the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years, we'll have an AI that's just always with us. That's just like, do all the stuff, blah, 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 whatever. We're not there yet. And that's probably a long time away till we can even get to the point where like stuff's just getting ripped out so easily and produced, but we're not there. Right now, we're at the point where if I want AI to replace the copywriter as a business owner, right? I'm thinking like a business owner. What do I need to do? Somebody still needs to prompt. Somebody still needs to go to the right AI tool. ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Claude, Grok. Which one? And somebody still needs to tap, 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 right? Now, can a monkey do this? Hey, AI, okay, somebody needs to tell AI what to do. Now, what do we do next? Right? Okay, let's just say I'm a fitness coach. I'm a fitness coach. And I need to sell my $1,000 a month coaching program. Write me an email to sell it. Right? And let's see what happens. What's going to happen is it's going to write some copy, and the copy's going to be okay, right? But check this out. The copy's written, right? There you go. If you're done guessing with your fitness, read this. Hey, quick question. How long are you going to keep guessing with your fitness? Jumping between programs, starting over every few months, working hard, but not getting the body, strength, and confidence you want. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they're unsupervised. That's exactly why I opened a few cells in my one-on-one coach program. This isn't a generic workout plan or one-size-fits-all. It's hands-on coaching for people who are serious about results. Here's what you get. Customized training plan, nutrition guidance, weekly check-ins, direct access, clear plan. My job is simple. Remove confusion, remove excuses, force consistency, and yes, it's $1,000 per month. Not because it's expensive, but because it works, it's personalized, and I'm directly involved. This is for you if you're this. This is not for you if you're this. If you want in, reply to email with coaching. No pressure, no hype. Just real coaching for people who want real change. Talk soon. Your name. 2 years ago, this was impossible. You couldn't do this. In 2026, as a business owner, you can go to the tool, tell it to do something, and out comes something. The copy that was written in 2024 sucked. What business owners are able to do with a few clicks of a button is it's at least better than what was 2 years ago. It's still slop. Is this going to outperform somebody who's been studying copywriting for 2 months, 3 months, writing copy every day, studying from the legends who have sold hundreds of millions of dollars and like have been training as an email copywriter? This is not going to beat them, right? And when I say beat them, what I mean by that is this is not going to outperform them. It's not going to convert better. And you could say, Brandon, you're out to lunch. How do you know it's not going to convert better? It's because I've been studying this stuff for years. I know, right? And I've been in the game. I've written hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of emails at this point in time. Is this better than what business owners could do 2 years ago? Yes. So what's happened, and I hope I get this through, right, to you, that the bar has been raised for what business owners are able to do when it comes to communicating through copy. They can do it at least better than they could 2 years ago, right? There's things here that this email is doing right, that like it's addressing the reader, it's doing some copywriting things right, it's giving a reason, right? Entering the person's mind and into their situation, their pain points, giving them a reason for why they open a program. Here's what's included in the program. The job is this. This is the price. If you're tired of this, then this is for you. And here's a call to action. So it did a lot of the elementary things right. That's the reality, right? It's better than it was 2 years ago where business owners would be like, hey, I got a program open. Like, you want to join it? Click here. And like, they missed half the stuff. So the reality is AI is better at writing copy now than the average business owner was 2-3 years ago. But here's the big but. Two reasons why business owner, this still isn't enough. One, somebody still has to click the buttons, do the thing. And guess what? The copy isn't done now. Like somebody has to take this copy and put it into email software, Kit, Klaviyo, Beehive, whatever, go high level. Someone needs to put in there. Someone needs to write a subject line. Someone needs to A/B test the subject line. Someone needs to segment the list so it goes to the right people. Someone needs to schedule this in. Someone needs to create not just this email, but 7 emails this week, 30 emails this month. And they can't all look like this. They have to be better or people won't read. We need different subject lines. We need more stories, right? Personal stories to make this engaging so it doesn't sound like everybody else, right? When everybody's emails sound like this because people are using AI now, then why would people open your email? It just doesn't make sense. So someone needs to plug into the software. Someone needs to differentiate. Someone needs to make a copy plan. What about when that launch is coming up in 2 weeks? How about when we need to reformat this and segment it to the other list who we need to sell something else to, right? How about when we need to craft a report and see if our emails are actually performing well or not? What about our deliverability? What happens when it starts dropping because people aren't opening because we sound the same as everyone else because they use the same ChatGPT as everyone else? There's more to copy than the words you write. And people will hire copywriters, not just, they'll keep doing it because the business owners aren't going to want to even click the buttons and find out which AI tool to use and take this AI slop and make it at least somewhat better to their brand so it's more personalized and do all the stuff and plug it all in and do the results and come up with the strategy and do the A/B testing and improve performance and track results and do the reports. This is all stuff. This is all stuff that has to be done. And business owners, when you're talking to the right business owner who has enough revenue coming in, who doesn't want to work 12, 16-hour days, and who doesn't want to keep having to do all of this copywriting stuff involved, they're going to keep hiring people. Even if that means someone's clicking the buttons in the AI to get the ball rolling before optimizing, doing whatever, someone will still be hired because the business owner still has to do something to do the copy. Like copy, it's not just like automatically copy's just being done. Somebody is doing it. The business owner has to still do stuff. So if they aren't doing stuff, right, and they don't want to do it anymore and work 12, 16-hour days and they're making good revenue, they're going to pay someone else to do the stuff. That's the first thing. The second thing is the fact that not only are people still going to hire because they need stuff, they need their time back. They're hiring because they want their time back. The second thing is because this is slop. Sure, it's better than 2-3 years ago what the average person could write. It is. I'm not going to be delusional and say it's not, because it is. It's still crap though. This is horrible. Like this could be 10 times better. Where's the personalized stories? Where's the testimonials from clients? Where's this person's life and his authority and what he achieved as a fitness coach, right? Notice I'm bringing up personalized human experiences. This is where copywriting is going. Is like people don't want to hear from robots. They want to hear from people. And that doesn't mean you can't use AI in your copy to come up with the first draft or to help you edit. Ideally, when you're new, you're used in the editing process, not the drafting process. But like the part that will differentiate and the part that's going to help convert people better is like, this is like a C minus piece of copy, right? When you study copy, you invest in the craft and you're going to see things that this copy just can't write. And that's going to be the differentiator. When everybody's copy looks like this, everybody seems the same. So then the copywriters of 2026 and 2027 and beyond, yes, it means learning to leverage AI, but it also means making your copy differentiate, making it stand out, making it better, making it perform better. What's going to do that? Unique angles, big ideas, strategy, storytelling, human experience, social proof, testimonials. Like storytelling is becoming much more important, right? Because your story is the one thing that AI could never do. You always got to think, what's the thing AI can't do right now that I can do and I can do in my copy? That's how you're going to crush it, right? So that's where we're headed. That's where AI, this is my thoughts on AI. And why would a business owner hire a copywriter, right? If AI can do all this stuff. Number one, because it's copy subpar and they actually want to get better results. Number two, because copywriting isn't just copywriting. It's 10 other things that people don't think about, right? That the business owner has to still do. Even if it's easier now and saves them more time than 2 years ago, there's still buttons that need to be pressed. There's still content strategy that needs to be done. There's still A/B testing that needs to be done to be performed and to improve this and to make sure it actually converts. There's so much more involved in it that like someone needs to do this stuff. And it's the reason copywriters are still getting hired in 2026. It's the reason my students are landing $1,000 a month clients, $250, apprenticeship accepted, $1,000 client, $3,000 client, $3,500 client. This is just before Christmas. $3,500 client, land another client. It's why it keeps happening. And why would that be? Why? Because business owners still want to grow their business. They need help. Business owners still want to grow their business and they need help. And those two things will never go away unless we have some crazy like economic global collapse and the whole monetary system is destroyed, which I don't know, maybe will happen. As long as capitalism is still a thing to some degree, there will always be business owners. And as long as business owners still exist, they're always going to want to make more money. And as long as those two things are true, which they should be, pretty good odds, business owners exist and they want to make more money, there will always be a role for you to come in and help someone make more money. Copywriting, it works now. Will the role change? Will AI change the way it works? Are you going to have to rely more on strategy and marketing and doing more of like consulting and stuff like that? Yeah, I think so. I think that's where we're headed. Will you have to do a bit more of like overall marketing and learning more software and whatnot? Yeah, probably. That's where things are going. But is this role ever going to be erased, deleted, wiped out? No. As long as there's ways to make a business owner money, there's ways and there's opportunity, and consumer psychology and people never change. Therefore, copywriting sales will always exist. So till the end of time, until there's no more capitalism. So there you go. Yes, you can use AI. I'm not opposed to that. If you want more help with this and you want to land your first copywriting client in 90 days guaranteed, click the link below and find out how you can do that.